everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was a brave soldier in India. He was born on July 19, 1827 in Uttar Pradesh. Mangal Pandey is known for starting the Indian Rebellion of 1857. He was part of the British Indian Army. Mangal Pandey was upset with the British rule and their unfair practices. He bravely stood up against the British officers. His actions inspired many others to fight for India's freedom. Mangal Pandey became a symbol of courage and resistance. He is remembered as a hero in Indian history. Mangal Pandey's bravery is celebrated every year on July 19th. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.